Hi viewers, welcome to BMS Physics. Today I am going to discussing about that electromagnetic radiation, and also that we are going to discussing about the properties of electromagnetic radiation. If you like my YouTube channel, subscribe now, and also the likes, comment, share it. If you want to discuss anything about, let us join us here our Telegram group. I given the link below the description box. Let us see now. Light is one member of family of electromagnetic radiation which form a continuous spectrum beyond both end of visible spectrum. While each type of radiation has a different source, all result from electron in atom undergoing an energy change and all have certain properties common. Properties of electromagnetic radiation. 1. All type of electromagnetic radiation travel through a vacuum at 3 into 10 power meter per second. It is like a speed of light. Electromagnetic radiation, there are exhibit interference, diffraction and polarization, which suggest they have a transfer wave nature. Electromagnetic radiation obey the wave equation V equal to F into lambda, where V is the speed of light, F is the frequency of waves, and lambda is the wavelength. Since V is constant for a particular medium, it follows that larger F means small lambda. Electromagnetic radiation, it's carry from energy from one place to another place. It can be absorbed by the matter to causes of heating and other effect. The higher frequency and smaller wavelength of radiation, the greater is the energy carried. For an example, gamma rays are more energetic than radio waves. This is shown by the photoelectric effect, in which electrons are ejected from metal surface when electromagnetic waves falls on them, and also that as the frequency of waves increase, so too does the speed and energy with which electrons are emitted. Because of it is the electrical origin, it is ability to travel in a vacuum. For an example for that, from the sun to earth, and it is like a wave-like properties. Electromagnetic radiation is regarded as a percussive transfer wave. This wave is a combination of traveling electric and magnetic field. The fields are vary in a value and directed at right angle to each other, and the direction of travel with the wave you can see that in the image of the diagram. Light waves. Red light has a longest wavelength which is about the 0.007 millimeter. We can also say that meter. 7 into 10 power minus 7 meter equal to 0.7 micrometer. And also that violet light has a shortest wavelength of color 0.004 millimeter, and we can also say that 4 into 10 power minus 7 meter equal to 0.4 micrometer. Colors between this in the spectrum of white light have a intermediate value, light of one color, and so one wavelength is called as a monochromatic light. Since V equal to F lambda for all wavelength including light, it follows that red light has a low frequency of F than violet light. Since the wavelength of lambda of red light is greater, and also that all color travel with a same speed, it is like a V equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second in air, is strictly follow that in a vacuum. It is the frequency of light which decide its color, is whether red, blue, orange or green, rather than its wavelength which is a different in different media. As a speed, different frequency of light travel at different speed through the transparent medium, and so are refracted by the different amount. In other words, we can say for that why the refractive index of material depends on the wavelength of light. The amplitude of light the wave is a greater higher intensity of the source. In this case, light is greater, the intensity of the brighter it is. Infrared radiation. Our bodies detect infrared radiation by it is heating a bit on the screen. It is sometimes called as a radiant heat or heat radiation, and also that we can say for infrared radiation IR. Anything which is hot but not glowing below the 500 degrees Celsius emit IR radiation alone, and also that it is like a 500 degrees Celsius a body becomes a red hot and emits the red light as well as IR radiation. For an example for this, an electric fire, toaster and grill are examples. You can see 1500 degrees Celsius, things like a lamp filaments are white hot and radiate IR and white light, all the colors of visible spectrum. Infrared is also detected by special temperature sensitive photographic film which allow the picture to be taken in the dark. Infrared sensors are used in the satellite and aircraft for weather forecasting, monitoring of land use, assessing the heat loss from the building, interpreter alarms and locating the vitamins of earthquake. Infrared lamps are used to try the paint and the car during the manufacture and the treatment of muscular complaints. The remote control for an electronic device contains a small infrared transmitter to send signal to the device. It is like a television or DVD player. Ultraviolet radiation. Ultraviolet, it is also called as a UV rays. It is having a shorter wavelength than light. Ultraviolet radiation cause sun tan and produce the vitamin in the skin, but can penetrate the deeper, causing a skin cancer. Black skin is able to absorb more UV, so reducing the amount of reaching deeper diseases. Exposure to the harmful of UV rays present in sunlight can be reduced by the wearing protective clothing such as a hat or by using the sunscreen lotion. Ultraviolet radiation. Ultraviolet causes fluorescent paint and cloth is washed in some detergent to fluoresce. You can see the image of the diagram. They glow by the re-radiating as a light energy. They absorb as a UV. This effect may be used to verify invisible signature and bank documents. A UV lamp used for scientific or medical purpose contains mercury vapor and is emit for UV when electric current passes through it. Fluorescent tubes also contain with mercury vapor and their inner surface are coated with special powder is called phosphorus with radiated light. Radio waves. Radio waves have a longest wavelength in the electromagnetic spectrum. Radio waves are radiated from aerials and used to carry sound, pictures and other information over long distance. Long, medium, short wave, wavelength of 2 km to 10 meter. Radio waves, this reflected round obstacle, so can be received even when hills are in this way. You can see the image of the diagram. They are also reflected by the layers of electrically charged particle in the upper atmosphere. It is like a ionosphere, which makes a long distance radio reception is possible. Very high frequency or VHF and ultra high frequency UHF waves. Wavelength ranges from 10 meter to 10 centimeter. This shorter wavelength of radio waves need a clear, straight line path to receive. They are not reflected by the ionosphere. They are used for local radio and for a television. Microwave, wavelength of few centimeter. Microwave, these are used for international telecommunication and television relay via geostationary satellite. And also that it is for mobile phone network with micro aerial tower and low orbit satellites. Microwave signals are transmitted through the ionosphere by the dish aerial, amplified by the satellite and sent back to the dish aerial in the another part of world. Microwaves. Microwaves also used for radar detection of ship, aircraft and the police speed traps. Microwaves can be used for cooking since these cause water molecule in the moisture of food to vibrate vigorously at the frequency of microwaves. As a result, heating occurs inside the food which cook itself. Living cell can be damaged or killed by the heat produced when the microwaves are absorbed by the water in the cell. There is some defect at present as to whether there is use in the mobile phones is harmful. Hand-free mode, where separate the earphones are used, may be safer. X-rays. These are produced when high-speed electrons are stopped by a metal torqued and X-ray tube. X-rays have a smaller wavelength than UV. X-rays. They are absorbed to some extent by living cell but can penetrate some solid object and affect the photographic film with material like bones, teeth and metals and which do not pass through easily. It is formed like a shadow picture can be taken. You can see the image of the diagram. X-rays used in the hospital. For an example for this, to detect fracture of bones. X-ray also used in security mission at airport for scanning luggage. Some body scanner now being introduced to screen passenger. It is used to very low dose of X-rays. In industry, X-ray used to inspect welded joint. X-ray machines need to be shielded with lead since normal body cells can be killed by high dose and made the cancerous by a lower dose. Gamma rays. Gamma rays are more penetrating and dangerous than X-rays. Gamma rays are used to kill cancer cell and also harmful bacteria in food and surgical instrument. Thanks for watching now. We will see the next video. Subscribe now. Thank you.